Good morning, students. Today we will be learning here a new concept above and below. How do you call it above? ABOVE above. ABOVE above. And the next one is below. BELOW below. This is above. ABOVE above. BELOW below. What do you mean by the concept above and below? What does it mean? Above is something which is placed on the top position. See, these both are position words. Okay? Above, ABOVE above, BELOW below. These are position words. What is above? What does it mean? Above is something which is placed on the top position. Now see, we are having our face, right? So what else will you say on our face? We have our eyes, we have our nose, we have our mouth, right? When I ask you, what is the position of your eyes? When I ask you, what is the position of your eyes on your face? Where is the eyes placed on your face? Eyes is on the top position. Eyes is on the top position. We will see the picture. Okay? We will see the picture and learn. See, children. This is a picture of a cute little girl. Can you tell me where is the eyes on her face? The eyes are above the nose. See, these are eyes. Where are the eyes on her face? This is a nose. The eyes are above. ABOVE. Above the nose. Above the nose. Okay. And where is the nose? The nose is below the eyes. The nose is below the eyes. BELOW. Below the eyes. The nose is below the eyes. So what did you understand, children? Above means something which is placed up. Which is placed up. Now keeping the nose in the center. See, keeping the nose in the center. Okay. See, keeping the nose in your center. See, this is a nose. We'll keep it in the center. Now tell me, where are the eyes? The eyes are above the nose. Above the nose. Okay. Now, so something which is on the upper side called is above, which is something upper side, means up. It is called above. It is called above. And something which is on the lower side, something which is on the lower side, downside, it is called below. It is called below. See, this is a mouth. Now I will ask you, where is the mouth? Where is the mouth? The mouth is below the nose. The mouth is below the nose. So in this picture, the mouth is on the lower position, right? The mouth is on the lower position, right? It is on the downside position. So that is why the position of the mouth is below. The position of the mouth is below. The nose and the position of the eyes is above the nose. The position of the eyes is above the nose. Where is the mouth? below the nose. If we are keeping nose in the center, and if we ask where is the mouth is below the nose. And where are the eyes? The eyes are above the nose. Now students, do you understand above and below? Shall we do it again? Okay, see. See the picture. This is a tree. This is a tree. Now see. Here these birds are on the tree. We call it on the tree. Now see this kite. Now see, where is the kite? The kite is above the tree. The kite is above the tree. And see, here is the rat. Here is the rat. The rat is, where is the rat? The rat is below the tree. Below the tree. Okay? Now see in your textbook above and below. See, the bird is above the window. See, this is a window. Where is the bird? It is upper side. So it is above the window. And the rat is below the window. The rat is downside. So where is the rat? The rat is below the window. So students, did you understand what is above and what is below? Above means upper side and below means the downside. Okay? Now see, above and below are also the position words. We call it a position words. If we want to ask the position of this bird, where is the bird? We will say the bird is above the window. And if you want to ask where is the rat? The rat is below the window. The rat is below the window. Okay students, bye.